Hi guys, today we're doing another Please Car Washer. Today we're doing the second. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is
select your favorite car.
Choose a car. So let's get started.
Very nice.
Let's choose our color. Let's go for pink.
Fantastic. Awesome.
I'm gonna go for
Amazing. Fantastic. Awesome.
I really like blue. Now to spray, 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 spray it. 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 So now we've done that, all the people with blood particles eyes come out. Now we got to do the wheels. The really, really, really cool wheels. And more people with weird glasses. So now we can spray, spray, spray. People with blood parts as eyes again. I don't know why I did that. So now we can do people with glasses on, and now we can try it with a cloth. How everyone does it in the old-fashioned times. Now for a bit of polish.
Well done.
Really
You have done a great job.
Polish. Now we can choose our background. That kind of looks like an ocean, but with like sparkles and the bubbles. Oh, I thought I saw bacon then.
Well done.
Now we can do the awesome stuff, like ending the video. Bye guys!